Good morning, family. This is Linda, and today I want to talk to you all about Chioggia Beets. And I received some mail today. Yeah. All right, family. So it is so windy outside. Listen, wind almost took me and threw me across the garden. So we had to come inside and do this voiceover. But this is my Chioggia beet. Now, I've grown this beet many times before, and I do love it. I did harvest it because I was looking for some lunch. Yeah, I like to come out here and just get some lunch. So this one was growing in the ground over here by my moringa trees. So I decided that this would be the one that I harvest today. Yeah, she's nice, she's big, she's healthy, and I'm hungry, right? And this is what she is. I brought her inside and cleaned her up. And family, the look of this beet is amazing, but the look is only the appetizer. That's all it is. She's beautiful. This is a Baker Creek seed. Yes, there it is. And they are just delicious. Now, I chopped up this beet and I added some of my lemon powder, salt and pepper, and olive oil. That is it. And this thing was so good, family. So good. If you never tried this beet before, mm, yeah, try it. I think you're going to love it. If you love beets, yes, you're going to love it. If you're looking for something that is nutritious for your body, that is healthy, beautiful, and good, baby, that's a win, win, win. And it's very easy to grow. Very easy to grow. So, of course, when I harvest this, this was Thursday night. I harvest this vegetable. Yeah, and I ate her all Thursday night. I ate all of it. Also today, I'm dropping some. Now this is honey and cream from Botanical Interest. Yeah, I tore the label off, but that's honey and cream, and this is from Botanical Interest, right? So I dropped those seeds right here, right next to my sugar cane, and yeah, we're gonna see what she do. Also, I received some mail. Boom. Yay! And this is from Sam of the Weekend Garden Show. Sam, she surprised me so much. I didn't expect it. She didn't tell me, but thank you, Sam. Thank you, baby. I love it. I love it. So the flowers are sitting next to my corn I just dropped. So I dropped it in a container, and we gonna watch her grow, baby. We gonna watch her grow. But thank you, Sam. I appreciate that, baby. That was so sweet and a very pleasant surprise. Very pleasant. Someone asked to show my super juice. Now, I haven't had any rain in a while, and I've been using my super juice, so I had to add water, and that's what I did. That's what I did. And this is my super juice. Yeah. She looks like 5'11". She smells like 5'11". Yeah. And my garden reacts to her like 5'11". Now, this is Friday afternoon, family. I found some more of those beets. And I harvest three. There were three of them that it was a good size for me to have for lunch, right? Mmm, mmm. All right, family, it is so windy outside. I wanted to come in and do this little Dollar Tree haul, right? So, of course, I purchased some zinnias, some wildflower blend, sunny area, and hummingbirds. Now, I purchased these coneflowers, cherry tomatoes, and daisies. Save the bees for Jada, right? I'm gonna throw these out in the garden. Y'all know, I'm gonna just throw them out there. Also, I received some mail, right? I shared the mail that I received from Sam over there at the Weekend Garden Show. Thank you, Sam, my baby. I did drop those seeds on yesterday. So today is, what today is? Friday. It's Friday, right? But I did receive um, more mail, and this is from Shirley Wims. Thank you, Shirley, my baby. So this is what Shirley sent to me. Shirley sent me some, these are my favorite Dollar Tree zinnias, the cactus zinnias. I love them. She sent me some foxgloves. Yeah. Oh my God. Listen, guys. I've had these growing in my garden many times, but I'm going to drop some more seeds out there. I love these. I love them. Passion flowers. I'm going to drop them. And these Chinese lanterns. I'm going to drop them, my baby. Cilantro. Okay, we're going to drop them. I'm going to drop these also. Yep. And you know I'm going to drop them. And of course, these also. So I'm going to drop these today. I will share when I drop them. You all will see it. I want to thank you, baby. But also, she sent me this, y'all. You see that? She sent me a whole book of stamps. I love it. I love it. Thank you, my baby. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm always sending out seeds and things, and she thought about me. I thank you, my love. I truly, truly thank you. So we're going to get this. So yesterday in the clip on this video, I shared with you all Chioggia Beet. That beet is from Italy originally, but it is a Baker Creek seed, right? It was so good, family. I ate that thing last night. I just put some salt and pepper, lemon powder on it. My lemon powder. A little olive oil and put it in my air fryer. And let me tell you all, it was so good until this morning. Boom. I went harvest 3 more. But this is a Detroit beet. But these two, y'all know, she say who she is. So this will be my lunch today. Yes, I'm so excited. But they are so wonderful. They're delicious. Sweetness. Oh my God, family. Oof. If you never tried this thing, drop a seed, baby. Drop a seed. You will not be disappointed. So this is lunch today. Yes, this is lunch. But anyway, guys, listen. I just want to say this. I will have my live on Sunday. I hope you all join me. And yeah, we're going to talk about seeds. It's going to be under A to Z with tnog. We're going to talk about seeds. We're going to talk about your vegetables. But we're going to look at this thing from a different point of view, right? So come join me and let's talk about this thing, all right? It's pretty cool. And the wonderful thing is, when you know something, you could do better, right? When you know better, you do better. We all gonna do better. We all gonna be eating better, right? We all gonna be getting our bodies very healthy. All right, family. So this is just one of my little small containers I purchased last year, and I'm growing parsley in it. So I'm taking the parsley out because the wind took the pot and blew the pot on the other side, broke it. So I'm taking the plants out and I'm going to replant these parsleys. Yeah, they're in here, and yeah, I think I have about 8 or 9 plants of parsley. So I'm taking them out, and yeah, I'm going to plant them in another pot so they can continuously to grow food. But family, this next clip is from Thursday. This is my Thursday lunch. All right, family, so this is my lunch. This is kale and shrimp. This is dill and tomatoes. Cheesy bread. Yeah, that's lemon. I do have something to drink here. That is some Barks cream of soda. And of course, you all know I've been tasting this, and it does taste so good. It's just a blessing to be able to go in your own backyard, harvest your food, prepare it, and enjoy it. Yeah, family. So good. And I have enough left for dinner. But I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I thank you for just being with me, right? Yeah. I hope you're having a wonderful day as well. Yeah. Kale and shrimp, baby. Lele Boton Roulette, my friends. Bon appetit.